Quick disclaimer, I'm not saying fire all your people. If you're a solopreneur, small business owner, or startup founder who can't afford a full team yet, these tools are your secret weapon. And if you're an employee watching this, don't panic. Use these tools to make yourself 10x more valuable before someone else does. Alright, tool number 1. A skilled copywriter who can write converting ad copy, landing pages, email sequences, and blog content. You're looking at $5,000 to $10,000 a month, easy. Enter AI writing assistants like Claude or Jasper. These tools don't just write, they write strategically. You give it your brand voice, your product, your target customer, and it produces a full email sequence, a sales page, or a 2,000-word SEO article in minutes. I tested this myself. I gave Claude a product description and asked for a 5-email welcome sequence. It came back in under 60 seconds. I made 2 small edits, done, the cost. Claude Pro runs $20 a month. Jasper is around $49 versus a $7,000 month copywriter, who it replaces junior to mid copywriters, content marketers, email specialists. Pro tip, always add your brand voice in the prompt. The more specific you are, the better the output. A professional video production team, videographer, editor, scriptwriter, on-camera talent can run you $8,000 to $15,000 per project. Synthesia changes that completely. You type a script. You pick an AI avatar. There are over 160 of them. You click generate. In 10 minutes, you have a professional talking head video, fully voiced, fully edited, ready to publish. It's used by companies like Accenture, Reuters, and thousands of training departments. A senior graphic designer in a major city, $6,000 to $10,000 a month. And that's before revisions, briefs, and back and forth emails that eat weeks of your time. Midjourney produces breathtaking visuals from a text prompt. Brand imagery, ad creatives, website illustrations. Concept art, product mockups, all from a sentence you type in plain English. I typed, luxury skincare product on a marble surface, soft morning light, editorial photography style, and got for stunning, usable images in 30 seconds. The cost, $10 a month for the basic plan. Who it replaces, junior to mid graphic designers, stock photo budgets, ad creative teams. Important note, you still need a human to direct the vision and do final refinements, but that work takes 30 minutes instead of 3 days. A junior associate at a law firm, easily $8,000 to $15,000 a month. Their primary job, research, document review, drafting contracts, summarizing case law. Harvey AI and Casetext do all of that in seconds. Harvey, which is backed by OpenAI, is already being used by Allen & Overy, one of the world's largest law firms. It reads case documents, flags issues, drafts contract clauses, and summarizes complex legal arguments in plain English. Casetext co-counsel can review a 200-page deposition and give you a clean summary with key findings in under 2 minutes. A junior associate might take 2 days. The cost? Casetext starts around $100 a month for individuals. Enterprise pricing varies for Harvey. Who it replaces, junior associates, legal researchers, contract drafters. Caveat, always have a licensed attorney review AI-generated legal work. These tools assist, they don't replace the judgment of a qualified lawyer. Operations managers and executive assistants are worth their weight in gold, and they'll charge $5,000 to $9,000 a month for good reason. They organize chaos, manage workflows, schedule, summarize, and keep everything running. Notion AI combined with Zapier replicates a huge chunk of that. Notion AI can summarize meeting notes, auto-generate project plans, write SOPs from bullet points, and answer questions about your own company documents like a search engine. Zapier connects your tools automatically. When a lead fills out your form, it adds them to your CRM, sends a welcome email, notifies your Slack channel, and schedules a follow-up task. Zero manual input. The cost: Notion AI adds $10 a month. Zapier starts free, pay plans from $20 a month. Who it replaces: executive assistants, operations coordinators, workflow managers. The magic combo: use Notion AI to think and Zapier to act. Together they're basically a tireless ops coordinator. A professional voice actor for commercial work? $500 to $5,000 per project, plus retakes, studio fees, and scheduling headaches. Eleven Labs generates voices so realistic, most people can't tell the difference. You can clone your own voice, use one of their pre-built professional voices, and convert any text to natural-sounding speech in seconds. Emotion, pacing, accent, all controllable. Podcasters are using it to generate full audio from written content. Course creators are narrating entire courses without recording a single word. Brands are producing radio ads on demand. The cost: free tier available, pay plans start at $5 a month. Who it replaces: voice actors, audio producers, podcast narrators. Ethical note: never clone someone else's voice without their consent. Eleven Labs has strict policies here, and so should you. A freelance web developer and designer combo? You're looking at $5,000 to $15,000 for a professional website build. Minimum. Durable built me a complete business website in 30 seconds. I typed in my business type and location. It generated a fully designed, copywritten, mobile responsive website. I tweaked the colors, swapped a photo, updated the contact info, live in under 10 minutes. Framer AI goes further. It builds more complex, interactive websites and lets you describe layout changes in plain English. Make the hero section bigger and move the CTA above the fold. Done. The cost: durable starts at $12 a month. Framer at $5 a month. Who it replaces: entry-level web developers, landing page designers, freelance website builders. Where it still needs humans: complex custom functionality, e-commerce integrations, and truly unique brand experiences still benefit from a skilled developer. Let's recap the 7 tools. Claude, Jasper, replaces the $7,000 copywriter. Costs $20, $49 a month. Synthesia replaces the $10,000 video team. Costs $22 a month. Midjourney replaces the $8,000 designer. Costs $10 a month. Harvey Casetext replaces the $12,000 junior lawyer. Costs from $100 a month. Notion AI plus Zapier replaces the $7,000 ops manager. Costs $30 a month combined. Eleven Labs replaces the $3,000 voice actor. Costs from $5 a month. Durable Framer replaces the $10,000 web developer. Costs $12 a month. Total monthly cost of all 7, under $250. Monthly cost of the humans they replace, over $57,000. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. The businesses that thrive in the next 5 years won't necessarily be the ones with the biggest teams. They'll be the ones that learn to work smarter, with AI handling the repetitive, the scalable, and the time-consuming. The question isn't whether AI will change your industry, it already has. The question is, are you going to be on the right side of that change? If this video helped you, smash that like button, it genuinely helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more no-fluff breakdowns like this every week. And drop a comment below, which of these 7 tools are you most excited to try? I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one.